Welcome to yet another episode of BMC Global Live Al-Hilal Health World, nothing but lifestyle. This is a talk show with the expert doctors of Al-Hilal hospitals and medical centers. Today we will be discussing about arthroscopy and sports medicine, an area where modern medical science meets athletic performance and everyday movement. Whether you are an athlete or a sports enthusiast or someone who is dealing with joint pain, I'm sure this episode is going to benefit you. And the doctor joining us today is Dr. Shamiz Mohammed Salim. He is an orthopedic surgeon from Al-Hilal Premier Hospital. So, doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Jasila.
And thank you for joining us today. Doctor, can you explain what is arthroscopy and how does it influence orthopedic care?
Arthroscopy is basically a minimally invasive surgical procedure where we use a small camera that is called an arthroscope. It is introduced into the joint, mainly knee joint, shoulder and hip joint. This arthroscopy helps us to diagnose and treat joint problems with less incision, less pain and quicker recovery for all the individuals.
And doctor, what type of injuries and other conditions are treated with arthroscopy?
The arthroscopy is commonly done in ACL injuries of knee, rotator cuff tears of shoulder and meniscal injuries and for cartilage damage. It is very useful for sports athletes and active individuals for returning back to their sports activities quickly and safely.
Doctor, now you mentioned about ACL injuries. Yeah. Can you explain it in detail?
The ACL or anterior cruciate ligament injuries of knee. This ACL is a key component of the knee for its stability. Mostly this ACL injury occurs by sudden stoppage, sudden change in direction or direct blow or trauma to the knee or around the knee. And the patient mainly complains of instability of the knee while walking or climbing downstairs. The treatment for ACL injury varies from physiotherapy to reconstructive procedures. And it will be based on the age of the patient, the activity of the patient and severity of the injury. All these ACL injuries when treated by surgery should be followed by physiotherapy.
Okay. Doctor, you have specialized in sports medicine as well. So, how do you manage these two fields?
Sports medicine mainly focuses on preventing, diagnosing and treating of injuries around the joint. Whereas arthroscopy is a key procedure, that is a key surgical tool in sports medicine where the injuries of this knee, injuries around the joint which can't be treated conservatively like physiotherapy or medication. When the sports medicine and arthroscopy are combined together, they provide as a complete care from physiotherapy, from prevention to rehab process to return back to sports activities.
Okay, doctor, can you now speak about the recovery after arthroscopy?
Recovery is much faster with arthroscopy than the other traditional and conventional techniques. After arthroscopy, a patient can go back to home on the same day or within 2 days. Physiotherapy must be started soon after. Minimal procedures of arthroscopy like meniscal balancing, the patient can go back his day-to-day activities and complete activities within 2 weeks. And for a reconstructive procedure of ligament, patient can go back to his activities within 4 to 9 months.
And is this procedure safe for older adults or is it beneficial only for the younger athletes?
No, it is beneficial for all age groups. But for elder people, we do this arthroscopy procedure for diagnosing early arthritis and degenerative process. The only thing which we should take care is select the patients properly and select the procedure properly.
Doctor, you already mentioned about physical therapy.
Yeah.
What's the role of physical therapy in sports medicine? Can you make it more clear for us?
Physiotherapy and physical therapy, that holds a huge role in arthroscopy. It is as important as surgery. Without proper physiotherapy, the best surgical outcomes can fail. It helps in strengthening, balancing and flexibility for the joint.
Doctor, with the increase in awareness about fitness, more and more people are turning to exercising. So, what's your advice to avoid sports injuries?
To avoid sports injuries, there are 3 golden rules. Warm up well, do not skip stretching, and always listen to your body. Do not over exercise while you have pain. Then, if you are starting a new sport or new workout, do it gradually. Do not push through yourself with pain. This is the main thing to avoid sports injuries.
Doctor, what are the advancements and new technologies in arthroscopy that people should be aware of?
See, now we use most advanced imaging techniques and PRP, that is platelet rich plasma, that is a new biologic upcoming. And there are new researches going on with tissue engineering and cartilage regeneration. There is a new study regarding meniscal replacement also. About the meniscal replacement, meniscus is mainly the cushion in between our femur, that is our thigh bone, and tibia, that is a leg bone. It gives cushioning effect to our knee joint. It protects the cartilage also. So, whenever there is a meniscal injury, now the present scenario is either do a meniscal balancing, that is shaving the meniscus according to the shape, or meniscal repair, that is suturing the meniscus. Now the most modern advancement is meniscal replacement. We are getting a meniscus and replacing the whole meniscus into the joint.
Now, can you speak about the most rewarding part of your career as a sports medicine orthopedic surgeon?
The most rewarding thing is helping patients, professional athletes, to weaken barriers, to get back to their sports activities or the activities they love. Seeing the patient pain free after a severe injury and getting back to their activities is very satisfying.
And finally, doctor, what is your takeaway message for our viewers?
Takeaway message is, I have said about the 3 golden rules. Always warm up, do not skip stretching exercises, and always listen to your body. Do not hesitate to seek help if you have pain. Do not push through yourself if you have pain. And we are always here to serve you. And always respect your pain. It's a signal and not a weakness. And always take care of your body.
And before we wind up, what do you have to say about Al-Hilal Healthcare? What are the services you offer at Al-Hilal Premier Hospital?
I am associated with Al-Hilal Premier Hospital, where we provide high quality patient care in orthopedics, arthroscopy and sports medicine. Here, patient care is our topmost priority, and with the most modern facilities at Al-Hilal Premier Hospital, patient gets a comprehensive and safe care. Join our hands to lead a pain-free life.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for joining us today
Okay.
and giving us a lot of valuable information about arthroscopy and sports medicine.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
So, viewers, I hope we were able to give you an overview of arthroscopy and sports medicine. For more informative episodes, tune into BMC Global Live Al-Hilal Health World every Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Till we meet again next time with a new doctor and a new topic, this is Jessila Mujib signing off. Good night.
Our skin is the mirror of our soul. Our skin is our largest sensory organ. Our skin needs a healthy microbiome balance. This is regulated by its pH value, which protects the skin from pathogens, cold and ultraviolet rays. Sebamed protects your skin.
This July and August, let your child shine with creativity, confidence, and a whole lot of fun.
iMac Cochin Kalabhavan is back with Summer Class 2025, a perfect mix of learning and enjoyment.
From cinematic dance, classical dance, vocal music, instrumental music, to art and craft, drawing and painting, and martial arts, we have got something for every young talent.
That's not all. We have lined up fun activities like field trips, movie time, yoga, games, thrilling competitions, and much more to keep the excitement going.
Worried about transport? We've got it covered.
And for the grand finale, every child's performances will be live streamed on BMC Global Live.
And guess what? All this at an affordable fee so that every child gets a chance.
Admissions are open now, and here's the best part. First 50 admissions get the registration fee for free.
So hurry up, call the number shown on the screen now to give your child a summer full of joy, creativity, and new friendships.